Welcome to the studio. I'm Jamie Kinkeade, and I cannot wait to bring the party to you. In our workouts, you're gonna get the most electrifying, energetic, joyful workouts you've ever experienced in your entire life. They are more like parties. You're gonna dance, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna move. We have bar, we have strength training, we have some yoga with hip hop. If you discover our workouts are exactly what your body, your soul, and your mind have been needing for so long, and you want the full experience, download our app, The Studio by Jamie Kinkeade. We believe so much in what we're doing and the lives that has changed that we offer everybody a 14-day free trial to have full access to every single thing on our app, including our daily live streams and our on-demand workouts. Could be the best 14 days of your life. You never know unless you give it a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, go and follow us on all of our socials, and leave a comment below. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let's do this.
Yeah. Get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that, yeah. Little saddle ranch, baby, I done met her at the bar. She was sweet like cotton candy. I said, what you doing here? She was trying to meet David. I said, okay, I'ma let you do your thing. And so I tell the bartender, I'ma need some whiskey, yeah. I'm trying to get a shot for everybody with me, ayy. I'm about to ride the bull, they gon' come and get me, whoa. X Games mode, how they front with me like, go, who's next? Bad little thing, she from the Midwest. Okay, Keisha, it was nice to meet you, baby. Hit my line, I'm trying to see some. Yeah, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that.
Pull up in the Model X, valet. Sorry, I'm not trying to flex. It's Dave's. Pull out when I'm having sex. Get laid. That was irrelevant, but I came to party, so pour up a shot or three. I'm getting drunk with Zane and Heath. Who's that girl on the bull? I see. She is very gorgeous to me. Myles on the dance floor freaking. I've been drinking too much, slurring when I'm speaking. The bar ain't closed yet, so you know we ain't leaving. It's a weekday, but it feels like the week.
Yeah, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that.
Walk in and they know my name. Dave's best friend, yeah, it's all the same. If they playing something and it's from the Bay, then it's hold my beer, cause I'm going insane, going dumb with my boots on. Yeah, full price, no coupon. Hey, baby, where you get the moves from? Yeah, when we leave, we should do some. Hold up, she filming TikToks for the FYP. She said, what you wanna do? I said FYP. She ain't even think twice, she know what I mean. Dipped off in the SUV.
Yeah, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride me. Hey, get that saddle, hop on, shake that rattle. She got cake, I can't wait. You could save a horse, baby, come on, ride